What is this?
No.
Hey! Oh. Luke!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come on, door! Now! And now!
What do you got? A banana? Let me see. Oh. Are you not sharing? Can I see your banana? Thank you.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, there we go!
A lo que yo vine.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Fantasy Power Station.
He must have fun getting out the first time. Don't get in another one. Shut!
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No, no, no petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Is it wrong? Number 12 for Rocky Lee special.
He's got the zoom. Oh my god. What the? Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Yes, get ready. All right, okay. My shoe, get my shoe back, you son of a...
Puppies! Chow, chow, chow! Hurry! Hurry! Chow, chow, chow!
Hey, well, yeah, well.
Hey, Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Nonsense. What did you do?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
doing, Coda? What are you smiling at, girl? Oh my god.
Play with me, Daddy.
Didn't I just say leave it alone? Benji, stop eating that. Stop. Get someone.
Stop! I don't like this game! My Willy boy. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. Get out.
Hey, honey, give me a song.
We need to get out. You need to get out right now. Come on. Let's go.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. Gonna hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today.
Big happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
Talk about a clingy dog.
Hey.
Do we need shoes for this? Yes.
Moose. Drop it.
Funeral service, government service, and you can use it at night for regular limousine service.
If we go rolling into Vegas with this thing, we'll be straight pimping. How'd you get?
How the fuck have you managed to eat a full pack of fucking Staples?
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. You don't want to go for a walk? Let's go for a walk.
It's fine.
What happened?
You got.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
It's a movie. The dogs are in the movie. Let it go. Maya. It's a movie. Really? Relax. Relax.
Oh man.
What? Oh my god.
No, 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 no.
Oh my god! Winnie!
I'll be back.
Great bitch.
Oh, 起码，起码，嘿，嘿。
No, I never said that.
Yes, you most certainly did.
No, I didn't, dingbat. Listen!
Nah. God, this little.
That's too loud.
Luna, can you say hello? Can you say oh no? Good girl.
Okay. Alright.
Hi, I'm just here to check into my appointment.
We gotta stir it up good, right? Stir it up. Stir it up.
What are they putting in these pop cups?
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Cheese! Cheese! He's a big cheesy smile. Yeah.
Hey, ma'am, I know you enjoyed those leaves, but can you leave them outside, please? Thank you.
I got a blueberry. So.
You ready? Set. Go. Stella. Stella. It's right here. But coming into this will just never get old. I genuinely think she thinks he's her man. Like...
Whoa.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at
Birds. Game warden.
You can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Oh, the drama. Stella. What happened today? Missed you.
Give Trip a kiss. Good girl. Can you give Daddy a kiss?
Can't see fucking shit out of this thing. We ready or what?
Good dog. Puts it back in. Anger, 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 anger.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. ¿Qué te cuesta no hacer cochinero? Mira nomás el pinche cochinero que haces allá, ¿eh?
Winston, I'm looking at you. Would anybody like to explain what has happened in my house? Winston?
Hello.
Oh my god. We both just.
Ah, the wild beast. Wildlife photography can be a dangerous profession.
Hala hala.
To his bone.
Come here. No, Tango! No!
A chili dog.
Are you kidding me right now? I threw the stick 4 times. You are not that tired. What's wrong with you?
Did you get enough water?
Oh.
Look at him, look at him. Look at him.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Did I trick you? Sorry.
You gonna get the water?
Wait a second.
Boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
Buddy, what are you doing? You cannot suck your brother's wiener, bro.
£3,500 is a fantastic sum of money.
Sit. Ready?
I just want to kiss you.
Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop? Joey? Is this you?
Good job. Good job. This is your cake.
Come on, what do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl.
Somebody maybe taking like on a walk today?
Oh, really? That sucks.
Suddenly I have so much fun. You, what happened? Okay, I take it off now, okay?
Where's Winston? Where's Winston? I wonder where Winston is.
Oh, you're so adorable. Hi.
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
Ollie, where's your daddy? Yeah.
He's beating
This dog hold the door open, bro.
Stop that. Brody. Hey.
Play sicko mode.
Sicko Mode by Travis Scott on Amazon Music.
Giving sparkling water to my dog and seeing his reaction.
Can someone explain to me how I got home and found her up there when she should have been in here?
Milo, look at me. What'd you do? Buddy. Milo.
Come on. I'm gonna pick you up.
Leave him alone. Walter!